Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. A perfect recipe for this mango season. Let's see how to make this mango kulfi. Into a pan, add some milk. This is full fat milk. Into that add in some sugar, mix it and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, mix this in between, and when it slightly changes its color, start adding other ingredients like some saffron strands, some cardamom powder, and mix it. Mix this nicely, even the cream which sticks on the sides. Now the milk has reduced. Allow it to cool down. Now transfer it into another bowl. We started cooking with 500 ml and as you can see it has reduced to 300 ml. Now into this add in some mango puree and some chopped nuts. Adding some nuts is just optional, but it tastes really great when you have that crunch in between. Once this is well mixed in, pour this mixture into some kulfi molds. Now cover it with some aluminum foil and put some holes on top to insert the kulfi sticks. Once you place the kulfi sticks, freeze it overnight and in the next day, your kulfi is ready. Very simple, very tasty. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Do enjoy this mango kulfi in this mango season. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.